Police will seek more details from the doctor who carried out a second post-mortem on S. Balamurugan, who died in police custody at the North Klang District Police Headquarters on February 7.
Kita masih menunggu lagi laporan post-mortem yang pertama. Kita belum terima lagi laporan penuh post-mortem itu. Manakala post-mortem yang kedua yang dibuat oleh keluarga, kita menerima laporan ringkas saja. Second post-mortem tu apa dia punya result? Dia resultnya tu very vague. Ada kata pulmonary heart disease dan ada blunt trauma. Apa dia blunt trauma tu kat mana? Adakah blunt trauma ke yang sebab kematian ataupun heart attack tu yang sebabkan kematian tu, jadi kita tak jelas. Dia entah ringkas sangat pula. Jadi kita akan panggil dia tu, kita akan rakam cakapan dia biar dia jelaskan kepada kita.
Police have reopened the investigation for wrongful confinement when in fact the court had ordered that Balamurugan be taken to a hospital or released, but police took him to the police headquarters where he died. On the day of his passing, 44-year-old Balamurugan was earlier taken to a magistrate's court to be remanded, which was denied after the magistrate saw him vomit blood.